Hey crypto fam, if you're new or have been around for some time in crypto, you might have heard of the word white paper. Whether it is from the crypto educators like myself or you might have researched online, a white paper is the most important document that you must read before investing in a cryptocurrency. Ever since Satoshi Nakamoto published the Bitcoin's white paper in October 2008, these documents have been used to explain why a particular cryptocurrency is being introduced, the problem it aims to solve, and how it differs from its competitors. It's essentially just like a business plan of a company. Dissecting a white paper can be difficult as they often contain jargon and buzzwords that are hard to understand. They are not unique to cryptocurrency and are used to explain many other kinds of projects, but white papers have become an industry standard at this point. In this video, I will explain how to read one and understand if a project offers a real-world solution or it's just a lot of fluff. Let's dive right in. A white paper by definition is an informational document used to both explain and promote a technical project and is essential for any cryptocurrency project trying to get off the ground and gain some legitimacy. The common parts of a white paper. To understand how to dissect a white paper, we need to first take a look at the common parts. The following are commonly found while dissecting a white paper, but not every white paper will include each part and information may be categorized in a different way. So, the first part that we have is abstract. An abstract is a summary of the project that appears at the beginning of the white paper. It outlines the project's goals and attempts to draw the reader in to read the rest of the document. Next up, we have introduction. This part of the white paper attempts to quickly cover the basic concepts like what a blockchain is, while simultaneously introducing the solution that the cryptocurrency project is aiming to solve. Up next, we have context or problem definition. This is where a development team starts to lay out the case for introducing their new, unique cryptocurrency solution, the market the project is targeting, the challenges that need to be solved, and critiques of current solutions that might be out there. Next, we have solution or product description. With the context of a problem laid out and the inefficiencies of the current solutions addressed, the development team pivots to detailing their solution and what it brings to the table. This section also introduces the platform that the project will be released on, exactly what the project does, and how it's better than any other solution. Up next, we have the tech. The nitty-gritty of the tech that powers a project is addressed here. A section like this might include a description of what's being used to build the solution, like developer tools and programming language. Next, we have the token and its tokenomics. This is arguably the most important part of any white paper for potential investors. A token's role in a project's ecosystem and how it will be managed are usually covered in this section like this. It could also include the benefits of holding the tokens and more details on the planned use cases. Up next, we have the team. The people behind any project are one of the most important things to be considered before investing in any crypto. Thankfully, good white papers will include a detailed section to introducing the project's team. This could include information like previous work experience, years in the industry, and individual roles within the team. Up next, we have how to buy a token. White papers also function as a kind of a marketing document for a new cryptocurrency project, so it's possible that they will include a section on how to buy the token. Launch dates, exchanges, and wallet addresses for transparency could also be included here. Up next, we have the project roadmap. The roadmap is where a team will lay out the future vision of the project. A roadmap will most likely include general milestones like a certain number of holders or getting listed on centralized exchanges, and a general time frame in which the team is aiming to have these milestones completed. Finally, we have conclusion. This section is self-explanatory. Here the project and the problem it's trying to solve are summarized and any call to actions is reiterated. Okay, we needed to get that out of the way. Now, while dissecting a white paper, no matter how the project is, it's good to be armed with a few questions to gauge the legitimacy of that project. So here are my 4 most important questions to ask. Number 1, what is the project trying to do? If it doesn't make sense to you, I would put this as a small red flag. Number 2, how is the project going to do that? If the way a project is going to achieve success seems unrealistic or overcomplicated, it would be a small red flag for me as an investor. Number 3, does this project actually need to be built on a blockchain? For any business, providing a solution in the simplest leads to profitability and hence success. Now, don't get me wrong here, simple solutions can be built on a blockchain, but can older technology achieve the solution that the company wishes to achieve? Think about that. Number 4, does the project have an experienced team with a track record of delivering? Now guys, this is very important. Since blockchain is a new technology and most of the time as an investor, you wouldn't know how the technicalities of the technology work. Hence, you must understand if the team behind the project is capable of achieving the success that they've stated in the white paper. While these are certainly not all the questions that can be asked while reading a white paper, they're a very good starting point for anyone new to cryptocurrency, white papers, or investing in general. Now, it is important to remember that a white paper presents the team's perspective of what their project is trying to do and the benefits that it will bring. The white paper can double as a marketing document for the project and their team's documents that they will try to sell the readers on why their project is the best. That perspective is sure to contain some bias, so before making any kind of sizable investment into a coin or a token, more research is the key. Reading articles on Medium, for example, written by people not involved with the project directly, and checking outside sources are two ways to check any claims made in the white paper. In the end, enough research should be done to feel comfortable with a project and be able to explain why a project is really worth investing in. Knowing how to dissect a white paper is one way to get started when researching a project. This can help an investor feel confident in the investment decision even when FUD and downward price action strikes. This will really help, guys. Alright, that's all for this video. Remember, if you have any questions regarding white papers, drop them in the comments below, and also let me know what videos would you like to see next. Please remember to comment and share if you found this video useful, and consider subscribing to my channel as I drop 2 videos on crypto every week. That's all for now, guys. See you in my next video.